So today we will solve the 12th problem from the chapter Mathematics 10th standard chapter trigonometric some application of trigonometric ratios. So we will solve this 12th one problem, that is, from the top of a 7-meter height building, the angle of elevation of a top of a cable tower is 60 meters and angle of depression of the foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of a tower. So what it says that there is one building of 7 meter height, and from the 7-meter height of a building, the angle of elevation to the top of a cable tower. So one more is the cable tower. It is here somewhere. One more is a cable tower. From the top of a building to the cable tower, this cable tower angle of elevation is 60 degree, and the angle of depression to the foot of a tower is 45 degrees. So angle of depression is 45 degrees. Clear? Sorry. So it is 45 degree. So what we have to find out? We have to find out this height of a tower, that is h. We have to find out the height of a tower. So let us label it as A, this is as B, C, D and E. Clear? So we will label it like this. Next what we have to do is, suppose what we will do, we will suppose this AB will be the Y and BE be X. Clear? So what we will do, we say that your let AB be Y meters and your what it is say BE is X meters, and this angle DE, the height of a building this much 7 meters, is parallel to the tower BC, parallel, and it is of equal side. BC is equals to DE. This tower height this much towards the building, it is parallel and equal, that is DE is equals to BC is equals to 7 meters. Now what we have to do is, we have to solve the triangle. Which triangle we will solve first? We will solve the triangle now. We will solve the triangle BEC. So what it is? BEC. This triangle we will solve. BEC. This triangle we will solve. Here what we say that tan 45 degree is equals to, this tan 45 degree is opposite BC by, so tan 45 degree is here BC by BE, opposite by adjacent. So BC by, we will write BC by BE. So we know that the BC value is, tan 45 is 1, BC value, as we say that it is 7 meters. Here we have written BC value is 7 meters by BE, as we have supposed BE as X. So we will write it as X. So we will get X is equals to 7 meters. So we record the X value as 7 meters. Similarly, we do solve the right triangle ABE. So we will take the triangle ABE, this 60. So tan 60 degree is equals to your opposite, that is AB by BE. So tan 60 is AB by BE. AB by BE. So here AB is your Y. As you know that AB we have supposed it as Y. AB is equals to Y. BE is, as we see that BE is X. So BE is your X. So what it will be? Tan 60 is, what will be the tan 60 value? Can anybody say? Yes, root 3 is equals to Y by X. We know the X value 7. So we will substitute here. So Y is equals to 7 root 3. We get the Y value as 7 root 3. Now the height of a tower, we can write it as, the height of a tower is, what it is, this Y plus 7. This AB plus BC. So what would be the height of a tower? Height of a tower is y plus 7. So y value we know that. So we will substitute. What we will get? So y value is equals to, y value is 7 root 3 plus 7. So if we take the 7 common from this, 7 common, we get 7 root 3 plus 1 is your tower height. Hence the tower height is 7 into root 3 plus 1 meters is your tower height. This tower height is 7 into root 3 plus 1. Is it clear? So this was asked in the problem, we have to solve it. In the case root 3 value is given in the question, we have to substitute the root 3 value plus 1 and multiply it with 7. That will give you the tower height. Clear? Is it clear to everybody? Yes. Next, we will solve our 13th problem. So let's see what is our 13th problem here. Our 13th problem is, as observed from the top of a 7-meter high lighthouse, the sea level, the angle of 75 meter height above the sea level, the angle of depression is of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So the so here it says that the lighthouse is of 75 meter height, and there is on this same side of the opposite side of a lighthouse, if one ship is exactly behind the another on the same in the same side of a lighthouse, there is two ships, one ship is behind the another. The angle of elevation from the angle of depression, when we look from here, the angle of depression from the top of a lighthouse, if we see down the ship, there is a 45 degree and 30 degree. So what we have to find out? We find out the distance between the two ships. ये ships के बीच में का distance find out करना है. So what we will do? We will draw the figure and label it. So next what we have to do? Let's write the angles. Suppose that this angle, we know the angle ABC is equals to, angle ABC is equals to 30 degree. Clear? Angle ACD is equals to 45 degree, as it is ACD is 45 degree. Angle ADB is your 90 degree. So we know that this is the angle, the line perpendicular to this makes a 90 degree. So we will write 90 degree angle. Now in triangle ACD, in this triangle ACD 45, ACD, in triangle ACD, tan 45 degree is equals to AD by CD, AD opposite by CD adjacent. So if we substitute the value, tan 45 is 1, AD we know that AD value is 75. So we will write 75 by your what it is, say 75 by CD. CD we will keep it like this. So CD is equals to 75 meters. So CD value we got 75 meters. Next in triangle ABD. So this big one ABD, tan 30 degrees equals to, your tan 30 degrees equals to AD by opposite by adjacent, BD opposite by adjacent. So what we will get, tan AD value we know that 75 degree is clear, by BD is how much? BD we know the BD value, BD we don't know, so we will write BD. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 is equals to 75 by BD. So therefore BD is equals to root 3, 75 root 3 meters is your BD. Clear? 75 root 3 meters is your BD. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate, we know the BD, we know the CD, we have to calculate BC. So what we will do? We will write BD is equals to BC plus CD. So we will substitute the value 75 root 3 is equals to BC we have to find out. CD we have calculated, that is 75, we will put it 75. So what we will get is BC is equals to 75 root 3 minus 75. So if we get 75 common, we will get root 3 minus 1. So the meters. So BC is root 375 meters. So this distance is, so we have calculated it, BC is equals to root 375 meters. Is it clear? So hence the distance between two ships is 75 root 3 minus 1 meters. Is it clear? So today we have solved the two exercise problems of your application of trigonometric ratio. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Thank you.